Storm and I, the Wonder Dog.
I'm not saying anything, okay?
Show our famous trick that we do. Famous trick. It's a rope trick that we do every night. This is our famous rope trick. She doesn't want to give me the rope, but she wants me to take the rope. So, what I do is I walk away gently and pretend I don't want the rope. And then I grab the rope and then I get it. Okay, Nate, get over here. Back up. Back up. Nate, back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Okay, now sit. Can you get both of us?
Mm-hmm.
Go. And I'm going to do the famous rope trick. She doesn't go for it, and I throw it overhand, and she doesn't go for it either, and I throw it between my legs, and she doesn't go for it, but then all of a sudden, I throw it up, and she catches it, yay! End of film.